three key parameters to rank the website on Google, right? One is
Yeah.
crawl stats, second one is CTR,
CTR.
yeah, and third one is user engagement. If your website is good at all staying there in the top, so which comprises crawl rate and crawl frequency. We have studied it thoroughly, we have understood. So how do we study it thoroughly? How do we improve the crawl frequency or CTR? Correct, in the previous class. In today's class we are going to learn about improving the CTR, click through rate. Yeah, so what is click through rate?
Number of people visiting the same page and seeing again and again.
Number of people, no, that is not seeing again and again, it's wrong. So it's measure of clicks in comparison with number of people seeing your website. That is impressions. It's a measure of people visiting your website against the number of people seeing your website as click-through rate.
So,
Yeah. So when 100 people are, we were using this example, right? When 100 people are seeing you while entering into the office or into the classroom, you want more people to be speaking to you, waving hand at you, hi. How will you achieve that? If you are a bright student in the class, people will come to you, correct? That's how the mentality is, right? Give me 1 second, guys, everybody. Yes. Ah, అర్థమైంది అర్థమైంది నేను చూసాక అది నిన్న సెల్లస్ అంటారు నేను చూసాక సరే సార్ నిన్న ప్రైజెస్ పంపించాను కదా సార్ మీకు అది ఓకే అంటే పంపిస్తాను పంపిస్తాను అవును సరే సార్ మీరు ఎట్లా చెప్తే అట్లా నేను చేస్తాను ఓకే ఓకే సార్ అలాగే ఓకే సార్ మేము అట్లాగే చేస్తాం అట్లా సార్ కమ్యూనికేట్ చేస్తాం మాకు హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి చాలా ఆర్డర్స్ వస్తాయి సార్ ఎంక్వైరీస్ వస్తాయి ఫెస్టివల్ కన్నా ముందు ఒక రోజు 2 రోజులు చాలా వస్తాయి ఫెస్టివల్ రోజు కూడా మేము మొత్తం మీకు కస్టమర్స్ మొత్తం డైవర్ట్ చేస్తాం సరే సరే సార్ అలాగే చేస్తాం అదే అదే సరే సార్ అలాగే చేస్తాం రిజిస్టర్ అంటే ఆంధ్ర తెలంగాణలో మనకి అంటే జిఎస్టీ తీసుకుంటాం కదా మీరు జిఎస్టీ కంపల్సరీ కదా నేను థింక్ చేస్తాను సార్ నేను మీకు డీటెయిల్గా కాల్ చేసిన తర్వాత క్లాస్లో వస్తాను నేను మీకు డీటెయిల్ కాల్ చేసి ప్రాసెస్ అది ఏమైనా రిజిస్టర్ చేయాల్సి వస్తే మనకి ఏదైనా రిటర్న్స్ అనేది ఆలోచించి మేము ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నాం యాక్చువల్గా అవుట్లెట్ కూడా లేదా అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక ఫెసిలిటీ అక్కడ ఉండాలన్నట్ల జస్ట్ జిఎస్టీ ఒకటే కాబట్టి నేను పెద్దగా ఇబ్బంది ఉంది సార్ జిఎస్టీ రిజిస్టర్ చేస్తాను 5,000 10,000 ఖర్చు ఉంటుంది చేపించేస్తాను సరే సార్ మీకు 100 ప్యాకెట్స్ కదా కావాల్సింది ఓకే 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 అలాగే చేస్తాను sorry everyone, yeah. So what were we discussing? Crawl frequency, sorry, CTR. You all understood what a CTR is, correct?
Yes.
So how do we increase that? How can people grab attention? So as a student, you know how to grab attention. Tell me, guys, whatever you know, how do you grab attention? Just shed some light on it. Sorry? No, no, forget about this. So how do you grab attention as a student? How do you grab attention of fellow students in the college? Correct. So when you are entering office, how will you grab attention of everyone? People should respond to you.
Say hi, something for everyone.
That's all.
Dress code.
Discount.
Dress code.
Forget about
Dress code.
discount, Hari. So I'm telling you, when you are entering into the office or when you are entering into the classroom,
Okay.
forget about digital marketing. When you are entering into office, when you are entering into classroom,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Um, so dress code is something different. Means the people will.
Dress code. Okay. Then what else?
Mm,
Sorry. Knowledge. How will you exhibit it? You will be quite knowledgeable, but how will people understand that you are knowledgeable and start speaking to you? So if somebody is speaking to you for the first time, they'll not understand your knowledge, right? Still, how will you make people to like you, respond to you positively?
say hi like that.
Say hi. Okay, that's all.
That's
So you will be wearing a unique dress, right? You will get into it with some energy into the room, right? You will kind of the way how you walk itself makes people to feel okay that he's authoritative, credible, or good. Making friendship with him is good, something like that. Such kind of presentation, uh,
correct.
correct? Lot of things can be done, correct? Maybe if you're already working in that organization, everybody knows since a while, right? The way how you speak, the way how you respect people, maybe probably if they know your credibility, your knowledge, even that brings lots of traction for you, correct?
Correct.
Correct. Okay. So now coming to the digital marketing, so your ad copy has to do the same thing, whether it is a Facebook ad or Instagram ad. It should make people to click on it. It should motivate people to click on your ad. Okay.
Okay.
So for example, look at this: software testing versus digital marketing. See what makes people to click on this ad, or let's assume. So what makes people to click on this? See now all these are the search results from different websites, correct? From different companies, right? So now if this is getting more traction, if this is making more people to click on it, the CTR will be high. If the CTR is high, this will move to the top, correct?
Correct.
Now here your main goal is to make people click these results. Since we are discussing about search engine optimization, we'll be dealing more about, when I speak about CTR, we'll be dealing about improving CTR of these kinds of results. Correct? If it's a CTR for some other website, if it's a CTR for some other marketing activity, okay, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or email marketing, or maybe some other marketing. So there the CTR improvement strategies will be different. Okay, so we'll be discussing all those strategies later when we look into it, right? For now, we will be discussing how do we improve CTR of your website which is showing up on the Google. You should make, though you are ranking in the third position, you should start attracting more people now so that more people will click on this, ignoring this, or maybe ignoring this, and that's how Google will consider this is useful and it moves to the top. Tell me now, what will you do if you are the website owner, if you own a website, and if you have to improve the CTR of these results, what will you do? What can be done?
Um, give some attractive word uh, based on what they are expecting. Like,
See, they are searching for digital marketing versus software testing. Their keyword is straightforward, simple: digital marketing versus software testing. So, what attractiveness can you bring for this?
um, might be the local language based on their area.
No, there is no local. Which language do you think the people will be speaking who search
Yeah,
software
yeah,
testing
correct, correct.
and
It's a
digital
common one.
marketing? See, if it is they have used Tamil word or Telugu word in English, at least you know that he must be Tamilian searching for Adirasam,
Yeah.
Kannada Kajjaya, Telugu Ariselu.
Mm-hmm.
So this indicates that they are searching for the Telugu product name. Let's show it in Telugu. Kannada product name. Let's show it in Kannada. Tamil product name. Let's show it in Tamil.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Now, how do you
Correct.
make it more attractive for the user?
Show some images, sir, on the.
Show some images. Yes, good.
Mhm.
Are any images shown here?
Uh,
None of them are showing images.
yeah, but only video it's showing.
Yeah, videos are showing
Uh,
because they are video pages.
correct.
Yeah. Okay. So image. Okay. Let's assume still we'll consider image. Okay. If you are showing image, it will improve it. Yeah.
Correct.
Information regarding topic is digital marketing versus software testing. They have to. They are searching for digital marketing grade or software testing grade. Which one they should take up?
So use this keyword on the like meta description also.
Used, right?
Meta
No.
description and meta.
Okay. So if you think it's used in the meta description, the click-through rate will improve. Okay, let's assume. So now your second suggestion is, one is show the image here. Second one is use this keyword. Keyword anyways, it's already showing up. It's clear.
Yeah,
But
correct.
still, let's use the keyword in the meta description also. Is that the only strategy or method to improve the CTR?
No, sir, but this is
What else?
it's one of the possible.
What else should we bring in? What else can we do? Because what you suggested is something that everybody will do, correct? As a digital marketer, if you could think of it and implement it, other digital marketers also will implement it, correct?
Correct.
Yeah. So when everybody are doing it, it's not just you. How will you still improve the CTR? Yeah. No, not offers. That's yeah.
Easy understandable English language.
Okay. Easily
Understandable.
understandable. See, now this is not easily understandable digital marketing versus software testing.
For a description, sir, yeah, it's a easy understanding only. If in
Okay.
case some
Okay. Fine. Anything else?
we can put some like
So I will give you something very interesting regarding this CTR improvements. Okay.
oh,
So
okay.
what you should be doing is, first thing is, you want people to be clicking on it. Who are these people? They are your target audience, correct? So
Correct,
who
sir.
are your target audience? See, this term itself will tell the target audience. Who are they? They are the people who are quite confused between software testing and digital marketing. What is
Yes.
that going to be super interesting for them? What is that going to be super interesting for them? Or so somebody is searching for, let's take it as digital marketing course cost. So when somebody is searching for something like this, what can grab their attention?
Um, we need to put the price on the top and give offer something.
Yeah. See their pain point. See, we call it as users' pain point or users' expectation. They are looking for cost, or their main pain point is cost, or maybe digital marketing. Let's say digital marketing training
Quote fees.
uh, institutes. So why will people take? So what is that pain point now? Digital, somebody who is searching on Google, digital marketing training institute. What is that they are looking for or expecting? Institutes. Institutes. So if somebody is searching digital marketing training institute, they are looking for just a good training institute. Correct?
Correct.
Correct. See, their
Yeah.
main expectation is, see, they are trying to solve their problem of joblessness. If they are just the college passed out students, their main goal or expectation is placements. If they are
Correct.
business owners, they need practical exposure. Correct? if they are
Correct.
if they are individuals who are looking for, let's say like housewives, their main expectation would be a freelance opportunity, right? See, what is that pain point that your course is solving for the end user? Or when they look for, what is that they are looking for, what is the solution that they are looking for? See, the pain point or the solution that they are looking for, when you bring in such details or information, the CTR will improve. So now everybody are writing digital marketing. So look at this: elevate your career with MIC and advanced certificate. Okay, learn digital marketing course in Bangalore. Digital marketing course training in Bangalore. Best digital marketing training institute BTM Jayanagar something. Right? See, now everybody are writing training, digital marketing course training, digital marketing course, digital marketing training. See, if you could bring in additionally their pain points, 100% placement assured. 90% of the searches, people who are searching for like this are people looking for jobs. They want to learn the skill and they want to get into the job. If you could write 100% placement assured, that's going to grab the attention. That's called as CTR trigger. What triggers them? Any information, any piece of information that's solving their problem, that's assuring of solving their problem, that's addressing their pain point, that's meeting their expectations or criteria. That's what becomes a triggering point for them, that makes them to click on it. Correct? See, if you are
Correct.
looking for hair transplantation, 100% hair growth assured. If you simply write everybody are writing hair transplantation services or hair transplantation clinic. But the moment you bring in 100% assured results, or take back your money, that's amazing, right? That's so interesting for the user, correct? That's what makes them to click tuck, tuck. Correct?
Correct.
It don't happen. Your doctor, madam, you are telling that it don't happen. Transplantation, hair growth will not happen. Yeah, yeah, it depends on their body type, their diet, their care. After transplantation, if they roam in hot sun, if they don't use those prescribed medicines properly, obviously there won't be a proper results. I understand. But still, clause will be attached always. When you say 100%, you will put a condition or criteria. You should not go in the sun. Will that happen? You should not get exposed to the dust. Will that happen? If you assure me of these things, I will assure you 100% growth. They won't assure and you won't assure. Done game. Correct, Arit?
Correct, sir.
So you should not sweat. Will that happen?
No.
Correct. They should not sweat much, right? During the after hair transplantation immediately. No exercises and all. No spike in some hormones as well, I guess. I'm not sure. Okay. So, see now the things can be communicated very effectively. Instead, if you say no one comes and says 100% guarantee, they will go off. Correct.
Correct.
So that has to be. I'm not telling that. Do not tell you give 100% result. Meanwhile, do not tell it's not possible. Also, put it in a tactical way. Okay. So 100% results are not possible. I'll tell you why. Our treatment is 100% accurate and best. But why I'll tell you. See, as a patient, as a person undergoing this treatment, you have to make sure that your diet is same, your medication is taken properly. You should not get exposed to hot sun. You should not sweat much. You should not get exercise. There are so many things, but still naturally by itself behave against or maybe any of these criteria will get waived off. Something like that's when you will not see 100% results. Otherwise, from our side, it's best treatment. Correct. You do the best, right? Yeah. You are not going to use that word again 100% while speaking to them. You will just respond. See, from our side, we assure you the best treatment. 100% is completely dependent on the patient. The treatment is going to be the same, always it's the same. Body types are different. Bodies are different. In few people, we have seen 99% growth. In few people, it will be 80%. What does this indicate? This is purely behavior of their diet, body types, lot of things, lot of external factors. We see it as external factors. So now I'm suggesting that you bring in their pain points that becomes the CTR trigger. Assurance on their pain point. Placement, 100% placements. Or we have placed 20,000 students. Till now, digital marketing course training pipeline 20,000 placed. You don't have to tell 100% placements. We have placed 50,000 people. That itself is enough, right? That indicates, oh, I am also going to get placed. Correct? Are you all getting it, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that is one thing. CTR improvement strategies, there are multiple. Uh, See, your title has to always start with the keyword, relevant keyword. So people are searching for digital marketing training and try to have digital marketing training only instead of course or like instead of just DEM course. See, if 90% of the searches are digital marketing training and not digital marketing course, you use which is most searched first. People use digital marketing training, digital marketing course, digital marketing institute, digital marketing certification. Of all this, whichever is being used most number of times, you prioritize that first. Second criteria is have all these keywords incorporated either in your title or in your description. Okay. So third thing is make sure the length of this title is appropriate. It has to be less than 70 characters. See, if it is not less than 70 characters, see what's happening here. It is converting to dots, dots, dots. Or this could be less than 70 characters, but there are no delimiters. Straight, complete one single sentence. It's not separated by any. Look at this here. It is separated by pipeline, right? So here it is separated by colon. Digital marketing institute, digital marketing certification online. This is in fact lengthier than this one, but it is displaying fully. Why? Because there is a delimiter used in between. They have separated the complete sentence, right? So follow these guidelines and always write the first alphabet in capital, okay? And your description
Oh,
has to be 175 characters, less than 175 characters. And in your description, bring in a call to action. What is call to action? What is call to action? Anybody here? Offline?
uh,
Online? Yeah, anybody? What is call to action?
if the
Call to action. You simply calling an user to take an action. Register now, book now, enroll now, slap now, beat now,
call no,
eat now. That is call to action.
okay. So we can show the call to action in normal.
Description. Here in the description, you can show that. In fact, showing that is good. See now here they have put enroll now.
Okay, okay, sir.
That's all,
So
call to action.
in this case, it's showing for course, digital marketing, digital strategy, blog. So we can also showing like this, right, sir? Is it possible?
Yes, those are called as site links. I'll tell you. Yeah, that is also one more crucial thing which will help you to improve the CTR.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Then in your description, see first we have finished the title guidelines. Use all the keywords whichever you can incorporate, and always write from the high volume keyword first, and the remaining keywords you can use in the description, and write an amazing description, quality description, no grammatical errors or mistakes in your titles and descriptions. Make sure the length is within 175 characters for description, within 70 characters for title. Okay, so in this description incorporate call to action and also incorporate call out statement. What is this call out statement?
Call out.
Yeah, call out statement. Any statement made by the business which is helping you to take the decision. These are call out statements. You are struggling between registering for a digital marketing course. Should you go with Institute 1 or Institute 2? Now Institute
Oh,
2 come and says that I'll give you the practical experience at the desk on the real time projects. This statement has made you to take the call. Correct? Let me
correct.
go and register with Institute 2. That is called as call out statement. Any statement that is helping the user to clear the confusions and decide, take the call, is called as call out statement.
Okay, okay, sir. So we
100%.
can show on the description only, right, sir?
Yes, you have to incorporate it in the description. That's what makes your description attractive.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
so your call out statement can be anything, your product offers or features. If it's a mobile phone, nobody is giving you 20 megapixel camera, front camera, let's assume, and now you telling that 50 megapixel front camera. Is that not helping you to take the call? That's helping you, correct?
Yeah, correct, sir.
Correct. So same way for any business you take, there will be some additional features, additional advantages, or like how a mobile phone has front camera. Now another company comes and says you don't have to recharge your phone at all in the complete lifetime. Amazing, right?
Yeah.
You don't have to charge the phone at all. See, the feature or the benefit or the advantages that you get from that product is can be a interesting thing, and that can make people to take the call, correct? So now you will spend 2000 rupees more and you will buy such a phone, correct? No need to charge, correct?
Correct.
Right? Any such statement, you are getting confused now between two products, which one should you buy? And now this statement is clearing such confusion. Any such statement can be considered to be as call out statements.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Third thing, have the site links implemented like this. Okay. We are going to understand how do we mix it. None of the website is showing them, and this website has it. That also gives you an added advantage. Okay. And more than
Okay.
that, the biggest advantage is implementing schema on your website, web pages. What is the
Okay.
schema? What is the schema? Schema is a piece of code that helps bots to understand the information the way how we understand things. So, for example, let's say you are browsing a website which is selling books. Okay. So
Okay.
over there, the seller must have written as 900 pages in the book. and 600 rupees is the price of the book.
Okay.
Okay, 1 second, guys, everyone. No, no. So, so now Google bot, which has visited your web page, doesn't understand this 900 as the number of pages. It reads number of pages as a text and 900 as a number 900. But it will never relate itself that 900 as number of pages and price of the product equal to 600. Google reads price of the product as a text or information and 600 as a number 600, but it will never understand or realize that 600 is the price of the book. Now,
Okay.
if a real user is seeing it, he will understand 900 is number of pages and 600 is price of the book. We don't say 600 as just a number, right? We relate it to the price of the book. Correct?
Correct.
Now, if Google has to also see it the same way how we see, we implement schema code. See, let's assume none of us here knows English. And if I have to communicate anything to you, I may have to speak to you in Tamil or Hindi or Kannada or Telugu, right? Malayalam, right? Respective languages if I have to communicate things to you, correct? Same way now, if I have to communicate something to Google about, especially about the information, a specific information about the product or it can be anything, crucial information, then you may have to speak it in a language that Googlebot understands that's called as schema. Okay. So when you
Okay.
implement schema is easier. It's something like your HTML. Huh? SCHEMA, schema code. We call it a schema code, which is easier to understand. But as a digital marketer, you don't really have to know the coding practices, schema coding practices. You just have to understand which kind of schema has to be applied to your product or service, to your web page. Okay, there are different kinds of schemas: product schema, rating schema, review schema, author schema, organizational schema, event schema, recipe schema. Okay, and likewise, there are many more schemas. Okay, so basically, this is the piece of code that's applied to the respective type of product or service. Okay, so what is the outcome now? What is happening if Google is understanding it the way how we understand? If Googlebot is understanding it the way how we understand, it's going to give a priority for you. It's going to give a beautiful presentation for your website, something like this on the Google search results. See, if you could help Googlebot to understand properly, it's going to display it the way how it's being displayed here. Do you all see that?
Yes.
For this website, I don't think they have a schema, and hence it's not showing up. For this website, there is schema, it's showing up on the Google. And now there are good chances of people clicking on it when they see the
Okay.
star ratings. When they see the star ratings, number of upvotes, and the course fee, there are good chances of they clicking on it. Correct?
Correct.
Yeah.
So for the same time, we can put the schema and site link also, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You can put both schema and the site
Site
links.
link also.
Okay. So
Okay.
implementing the schema gives you the rich presentation, which are called as rich snippets. The outcome, if you implement schema, the outcome is rich snippets.
Okay.
The outcome is rich snippets, and this rich snippets plays a crucial role in making people to click on your website result. Everybody are putting 4.5 and yours is 4.9, and this website doesn't have it at all, and this website has it. Obviously, it's going to make it more interesting. Correct?
Correct. Yeah, correct. So,
So, yeah.
in the scenario, we can put the individual schema for individual website. Is it possible, sir? Like we are promoting for one books. Okay. So the book's price also, page number also will be different. If I'm promoting the other book means the same price will not be following it, right?
No. Schema code can be implemented dynamically. It shows the respective price. Now look at this.
Okay.
You see here, 109 reviews. Price range it's different. This is different. Number of reviews is different. Rating, see
Okay.
right? You see it's going to be different. See,
Okay,
technically
it will
the
be
dynamic
automatically taken from the.
respective product page.
Okay, okay. So even though we need to activate the schema, right? So after that only
We
it should.
see if you are using a WordPress website, there are a couple of plugins, but we ask the WordPress website developers to implement this. Sorry, custom build for custom build websites. We ask the website developers to implement this. They'll implement it in the HTML itself. Okay. See, some themes will have it by default. See, this theme by default has it. You don't have to do anything. This theme by
Okay,
default has these details. If you are using this WordPress theme automatically, you will have the details or information shown up automatically on the search results page.
okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you all got it right. Implementing schema code or snippets is going to be super beneficial, super useful. Yeah. This is event schema. You see how it's showing up dates for a training company. When is the next match starting?
Uh-huh.
So here we'll go by this one by one. Relevancy we have discussed, cover all the related variations we have discussed, write quality titles and descriptions without grammatical errors we have discussed, follow the character count we have discussed, understand how to use the delimiters in the title. So you are not supposed to use comma, semicolon, dollars and couple of other symbols which will take up a lot of pixel values basically. That will increase the character count though it is only one. See now hyphens, colons, pipelines, these kinds of things will not take much space,
Okay, sir.
so you have to separate your content with these kinds of delimiters, full stop as well. Implement schema code, okay, that we have discussed now, and then implement CTR trigger. In the title we have discussed what a CTR trigger is. A CTR trigger is any piece of information or text that motivates the user to click on your web search results. The CTR trigger usually will be the solution for the end user's pain point. Branding will help improve the CTR. You are a popular name, using your name in it will make people to click on it, correct? Flipkart, Flipkart using it in its titles and descriptions could be really useful. That's a brand, right? Everybody knows it. The moment they see users, anybody searching on Google, the chance of people clicking on it are very high because they know Flipkart already, correct?
Yeah.
Branding also helps improve the CTR. Okay. So anybody has any questions with regard to how to improve CTR? And now CTR will also improve. See now CTR, huh? You have to start with some website. You have to come here. Practicals doesn't happen in this class. Practicals happens at the desk on a project. You should have time to. There are people. Okay. So final thing, the rankings, the keyword positions, and CTR are directly proportional or related. If the average position improves, the CTR the CTR will improve, and if CTR improves, the average position will improve. Okay, these are
Okay.
the different ways or methods of improving CTR for your web results on Google. You see this 100% money back guarantee. It's a CTR trigger, not really 100% CTR trigger, but there can be better CTR triggers also. Top rated, 100% money back, and this person might say 100% certification assured. You will compulsorily get the certificate. And somebody else comes and writes lowest price assured in the market. Lowest price. Give me 1 second, guys. Hello. Hello. Yeah. See, I can't. You have to spell it properly. I can't hear it properly. Yes. Okay. We don't have any requirement, madam. If you are looking for more sales for your business, we are a digital marketing agency. We can do the marketing and we can bring in more sales for your company. Okay. Okay. So somebody called me and they are pitching their service. I pitched my service in return. Okay.
Nice.
They'll not call me again. She told I'll call you back if we need the service. Otherwise, they would have called me every day. Okay. So these kinds of skills are very much important in digital marketing also. The same knowledge we are implementing it on on the internet. So this is could be physically or over the phone, but you have to bring in the same kind of knowledge onto the internet in order to achieve your results. That's internet marketing. That's digital marketing. That's all. Digital marketing is no rocket science. We all already know about marketing, and just we implement it on internet. We are just understanding the internet technologies, internet platforms, internet tools, internet softwares. That's all simple.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if we start with improving user engagement, that will take up to 5 o'clock. So we'll do this separately tomorrow. Yeah,
Okay.
I think
Yeah.
we can wind it up for today. If anybody has any questions with regard to CTR, we can discuss.
Sir, at what scenario the image will come, sir? For generally, after putting the image on the
Web
concern
pages.
page,
See, one is uh, see, Google doesn't assure you of picking up the image. So if Google, even if they want to consider showing up an image on Google search results, they would expect the image dimensions, image size, lot of things. See now, this result, let's search for this.
hmm, is there any terms or something or any code we need to put?
No, not any code. Alt attribute has to be filled in the. Okay, ideally. See, it's showing up for this. See, basically, Google is picking up images when showing images is important for certain kinds of business. It varies or depends with the category of the business. See, for training, what
Okay.
images you will show? Training people are not expecting images. If you are selling flowers, people will expect image. If you are selling sweets, people will expect image. If you are selling snacks, people will expect image. If you are selling images, people will expect images to be shown on the Google, right? So
Okay.
based on the
Okay.
type of category, Google themselves decides to show the images or not to show. See, now again you search for this, and I don't think Google would show images. Probably in case if there are videos, it might show videos because it's related to training. See, nobody is showing images for no results. Don't you think
Okay.
these websites will have images? These websites will have images. All of these websites has images. But Google knows for these kinds of categories or business, it shouldn't show the images. Images have less prominence
Okay. Okay, sir.
and it doesn't show. Okay. So if you are just
Oh,
filling your alt attribute and if you have an image of proper dimensions, it automatically shows. There is a OT tag, open graph, OG tag, open graph tag. There is something called as OG tag in your uh, head section of the HTML. If you're filling that OG tag, the source image something, there are chances of it showing up. Otherwise, also still Google should naturally pick it up.
okay. Okay. OT tag, right,
OGG
sir?
open graph. OG
Okay. So
OG.
where can I following this, sir?
Let me show it to you. I had written about this in 2018, I guess. I'm just trying to pull it out. We changed the website, right? Our team may have not published it or. See, if you are using a WordPress website, the Mons extension will allow you to update the image as well, which will be picked up on the social media platforms and Google search engines.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it will be implemented something like this. See, image, meta, property, OG, image, content. You have to put an image tag and put an image. That's what will be picked up to show on social media or on the Google search results.
Okay, okay, sir.
So it's picking up on the social media. Whatever you put on the OG tag will show up on the Google, sorry, social media and as well as the Google. In case it's, see, Yoast SEO, I told you, right? See, Yoast SEO has all the sections. OpenCraft, it's quite easy. So even I had written an article on this long back. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah, thank
Yeah. Any other questions, guys?
you. No, sir.
Okay, fine. Then we'll wind it up for today. We'll connect back tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Yeah,
Okay.
thank
Bye.
you.